The year is 2025. Buckle up, marketers, because it's a wild ride out there. Forget everything you thought you knew about traditional marketing. The landscape has evolved into a digital jungle. It's a battlefield of algorithms, data, and ever-changing consumer behavior. Competition is fierce. Attention spans are shorter than ever. To win in 2025, you need to be agile, innovative, and most importantly, you need an edge. The days of generic campaigns are over. Today's consumer craves personalization. They want brands to know their name, their preferences, their dog's birthday. Okay, maybe not that far, but you get the point. To cut through the noise, you need to deliver the right message at the right time on the right platform. This is where things get tricky. Consumers are scattered across a multitude of channels. Think social media, streaming services, podcasts, the metaverse, and whatever new tech emerges next week. It's overwhelming, right? Keeping up with this constant evolution is a full-time job, and that's before you even start thinking about your actual marketing strategy. But don't despair, there's hope yet. Amidst this chaos, a new breed of marketing tools has emerged, powered by the game-changing force of artificial intelligence. But before we dive into it, please take a moment to subscribe, like, and comment below. Thanks. Let's face it, marketers are facing an uphill battle in 2025. The challenges are real, and they're not going away anytime soon. First up, we have media fragmentation. Remember when you could just put an ad on TV and call it a day? Those days are long gone. Your audience is fragmented across countless platforms. Reaching them effectively is like trying to herd cats. Next, we have the data deluge. Data is king, but only if you can make sense of it. Marketers are drowning in data. Extracting valuable insights is crucial, but it's also incredibly complex and time-consuming. And don't even get me started on the importance of trust. Consumers are more aware than ever of data privacy and brand authenticity. Building and maintaining trust is paramount. Screw up, and you risk losing your audience for good. Global reach is another hurdle. Expanding into new markets is essential for growth, but it also brings a whole new set of challenges. You need to tailor your message, adapt to local preferences, and navigate cultural nuances. It's a lot to handle. And finally, let's talk about efficiency. Marketers are constantly being asked to do more with less. Automating repetitive tasks is essential to free up time for strategic thinking and creative problem solving. But finding the right tools to streamline your workflow can be a daunting task in itself. This is where ONPASSIVE enters the scene. ONPASSIVE is not just another marketing platform, it's your AI-powered secret weapon, designed to conquer the challenges of 2025 and beyond. ONPASSIVE equips you with the tools and insights to navigate the digital jungle with confidence. First and foremost, ONPASSIVE delivers AI-driven insights. Forget sifting through mountains of data. ONPASSIVE's AI does the heavy lifting for you, uncovering hidden patterns and providing actionable insights. You'll get smarter about your audience, understand their behavior, and predict their next move. This means your marketing becomes laser-focused, delivering the right message to the right person at the right time. Say goodbye to wasted ad spend and hello to a better ROI. But ONPASSIVE's brilliance doesn't stop there. It automates those tedious, repetitive tasks that suck the life out of your day. Think social media posting, email marketing, lead generation. ONPASSIVE takes care of it all, freeing up your time to focus on big-picture strategy and creativity. And because ONPASSIVE is all about integration, it seamlessly connects your marketing channels, creating a unified brand experience for your audience. No more juggling multiple platforms or struggling to maintain consistency. ONPASSIVE brings it all together in one central hub. Section 4. Why ONPASSIVE is non-negotiable for 2025 and beyond. In a nutshell, ONPASSIVE is your key to staying ahead of the curve. In the fast-paced world of digital marketing, standing still is not an option. You need to be constantly evolving, adapting, and innovating. ONPASSIVE empowers you to do just that. Its AI-powered tools give you a competitive edge, helping you anticipate market trends, personalize your messaging, and optimize your campaigns for maximum impact. But it's not just about staying ahead of the competition, it's about maximizing your ROI. ONPASSIVE helps you get the most out of your marketing budget. Its data-driven insights ensure that every dollar you spend is working hard for you. And as AI continues to evolve, so too will ONPASSIVE. This means your investment today is an investment in the future of your marketing efforts. Section 5. ONPASSIVE. your secret weapon in the marketing arsenal. The marketing landscape of 2025 is a complex and challenging terrain, but with ONPASSIVE by your side, you can navigate it with confidence. Its AI-powered solutions provide the insights, automation, and scalability you need to thrive in this data-driven world. ONPASSIVE is more than just a marketing tool. It's your strategic partner, helping you stay ahead of the curve, maximize your ROI, and future-proof your marketing efforts. So if you're serious about crushing it in the marketing mayhem of 2025 and beyond, ONPASSIVE is non-negotiable. It's time to embrace the power of AI and unleash your full marketing potential. For more information about ONPASSIVE and how to find success on the internet, please go to the description below. Thank you, and have a great day.